out the top three subcategories in each category. Okay, so we will try using the matrix, then only we will come to know the issue which cannot be fixed without text. So take category and sales, subcategory, move the subcategory into rows itself. Okay, increase the size a bit. Expand the categories. And now to find out the top three subcategory in each category, we will use filter pane where we would be adding a filter in the subcategory section. So use top n, take n as 3 as we need top 3, and we need to put this filter on the basis of sales value. Apply filter. So what it is doing for us, it is finding out the total three categories, subcategories in each category, right? So one in furniture, one in supplies, one in technology. It's not giving me top three subcategories in each category. It is giving me total three subcategories. So this is the issue which we have without DEX. Now how to use DEX to fix this issue, right? So basically we need to rank the subcategories. Then we can use top three of each category. So now how to find out the ranks for each subcategory. So we will use a measure, new measure. Rank category. Which function we are going to use? Rankx. This is an iterator. The name of the table is orders. But what we need to do, we will use all function. I will tell you why to use all function here. Subcategory, comma, orders. Now we need to take total sales. Let's close the bracket for all function first, then use this table. So we need to rank these subcategories on the basis of the total sales, right? What all function does? All function actually removes all the filters from this particular column. So in case you are calculating the ranks manually, for example, what will you do? You are going to put filter on each subcategory again and again, whenever you would be repeating the process to find out the next rank. So similarly, the same thing happens when we are doing it using DEX. So we need to remove those filters. How to remove those filters? Now we do not have any manual control over it because we are doing it using an expression. So we will use all function so that whenever the loop is getting repeated to find out the next rank, that earlier filter is getting removed. So this is the purpose of using all function here. And the second argument is that we need to rank the subcategories on the basis of total sales. So this is the reason we have taken this. Now this measure has been calculated. So this is here. What will we do? We will copy paste this visual like this and remove this filter from here. Now we will use this rank measure to have the filter is less than or equal to 3. Apply filter. So what is happening now? It is giving me top 3 subcategories and in each category, because what we have done, we have used ranks of subcategories to find out top 3 in each category. So this is how we need to approach data to find out whatever we want. So this is what we have done. So this is the difference between without DEX and with DEX. So this is one case where we have no solution apart from DEX. So we have to use a DEX formula.